So hey guys, and welcome to this life-changing video. Do you know why I am calling it as a life-changing video? Because after watching this video, you will get to know about how you can also start your online business from right away. Yes, you heard it right. From right away, you will be able to start your online business with us. Do you know there are multiple videos on YouTube, and I know that you might have watched multiple videos on YouTube on how you can make money online, but you didn't get any results till now. You didn't earn a single penny till now. That's why you are here. But my friend, this is my promise to you. If you watch this video completely, then there will be no need to watch any other video on YouTube on how you can start your online business. You have two options: watch this video completely and start your online business, or else leave this video right now and waste your time on YouTube on multiple videos on the topic how to make money online. Alright, so let's get started, guys. You should promise me that you will watch this video completely, then only you will get a solution. Alright, so let's begin. Online business. So everything is shifting online these days, as you guys know. And do you know there are more than 300 million users are on Facebook. They are using Facebook, right? So if our audience online, if our audience is on social media, then our work and business should also be on social media. All right, so there will be a huge scope in future for online business. The people who are starting their online business today, they will be in long-term game, right? So now I will tell you that why most of the people fails in online business. What are the reasons? That's why people fail in online business. I will tell you 4 major reasons. And believe me, this video is for your education also, because I don't want to hide anything from you guys. I will tell you everything clearly and straightforward. Alright, so the number 1 reason that's why most of the people fail in online business or in any industry, they want to become quick rich. Every person want to become quick rich. They want to become rich in overnight. My friend, nothing comes overnight. You have to work for it. You have to do your 100%. You have to be patient and you have to be consistent, right? Nothing comes overnight. If you are coming here, if you are watching this video by thinking that after watching this video, after 1 hour you will earn lakhs of rupees, that is not possible. You have to be practical, right? I'm not saying that you will become rich after watching this video, but you will get a direction that where you have to go. The number 2 reason that's why most of the people fails in online business is they don't focus on learning. People just focus on earning. My friend, you can't earn money without learning, right? You have to learn first, then only you can do something. If you don't know about the business, then how you can expect to earn money from that business? You have to get training, you have to learn from courses, and you have to learn from mentors. Then only you can start your business, right? Okay, so the number 3rd reason that's why most of the people fails in online businesses, people think that everything is free. They will not invest their money, they will not invest their time. Without investing, they can earn money. My friend, this is business, and in every business you have to invest money. But today I am going to give you an opportunity where you can invest a very low amount and you can start your online business, right? I'm not saying to invest huge amount here, right? Okay, so the 4th reason that's why most of the people fail in online business is they reject opportunities. In this video also, if you are watching this video, out of 100 people, 80 people will reject this video, reject this opportunity, and watch multiple videos on YouTube regarding how to make money online. But they will not be able to do anything because they are rejecting opportunities. Only 20% people who takes action after watching this video, who will watch this video completely, they will only change their life and they will only earn money online. So now let's talk about what do you need to start your online business. What do you actually need? So you might be thinking like, I need huge investment, I need knowledge and experience, I need technical knowledge. But my friend, you are thinking wrong. Actually, you just need these 5 things. Actually, you just need these 5 things to start your online business with us, with our team, right? So let's talk about that. You just need a laptop or smartphone and an internet connection. First 2 things. My friend, you know, if you are watching this video, that means you have a laptop or smartphone. Also, you have an internet connection. That is why you are able to watch this video, right? So then you need a positive mindset, because you can't do anything without a positive mindset. With a negative mindset, you can't do anything. If you think that you are coming here to try online business, then you can't do, right? You have to think like this, that if you are coming here, you are coming here to succeed. You are coming here to achieve something. You are not coming here to try, right? So then after positive mindset, when you prepared yourself, then you have these things. But what are other two things? So the number 4 thing is right mentor. You need a person who will guide you step by step, who have already achieved that much amount of success, and now he can teach you everything, right? In our schools also, in our colleges also, we are learning from our professors, we are learning from our teachers, right? We have books, but we need a mentor who can guide us, right? People think that everything is free online. Oh, YouTube have everything, then why should I buy courses and why should I learn? My friend, in YouTube you can watch videos, but nobody will guide you if you are facing any problem. A mentor only is a person who has already achieved something. Now he can also guide you, right? So the number 5th thing is skills. You need skills, then only you can do business. But you don't have to worry, I will give you a right mentor also. You will get a mentor also, you will get skills to learn from here, and after then you can start your online business. All right, so now you might be thinking like, who is this guy who's talking in front of camera, but we don't know him? So now I will tell you about myself. So my name is Chirag Chhabra. I am a digital entrepreneur and a social media marketer. I am working in this online stuff from last 3 years, right? And I have trained more than 2000 people on how to make money online using their social media in last 2 years. So I am working in online business from last 3 years, but before 2 years I started teaching people that how they can also start your online business, right? So till now I have trained more than 2000 people how they can make money through social media. All right, okay, let's jump into next slide. So there are multiple business you can do online, right? You have multiple business like drop shipping, e-commerce, your own digital marketing agency. But my friend, do you know why I am not recommending you these businesses? Because you are a beginner here, right? You don't know about these businesses and all, right? You are new here. So in these businesses you need a huge investment, you need a huge capital, right? Then only you can do these businesses, plus experience, knowledge, you need that also, then only, or else you will lose your money. So I am not recommending you those businesses. So now you might be thinking like, oh, these businesses involve huge investment, then what should I do, right? So now I am going to tell you what business you have to choose, right? So I will prefer you to work in affiliate marketing business, right? What is affiliate marketing? Let's talk about that. Affiliate, in simple words, if I tell you about affiliate marketing, then affiliate marketing means you are promoting someone else's product and you are getting commission out of it. That means you are not promoting your own product. You have not created any product, because I know you are a beginner. That's why I am recommending you this industry, right? I am working in this industry from last 3 years, right? So in affiliate marketing, what happens is you are promoting someone else's product. That means you have not created any product. You are just doing marketing and promotion, and if someone buy a product with your link, then you will get commission. So let's understand affiliate marketing with Amazon example, right? You might have done shopping with Amazon multiple times, right? So in Amazon also you have affiliate marketing opportunity. How you can become affiliate partner of Amazon, and if someone buy your product, buy a product from Amazon with your affiliate link, then Amazon will pay you commission, right? Because that person is buying product from your link, right? You are promoting and doing marketing, and after that marketing, that person, if that person is purchasing that product, you will get commission of it, right? Usually Amazon gives you 3 to 12% commission, but I am giving you just example of Amazon. I am not asking you to go and become an affiliate partner of Amazon, right? You don't have to do it, because Amazon is giving you just 3 to 12% commission, but I will give you a business, I will give you a product where you will get around 80% commission. Right, you heard it right. 80% commission on every sale done by you. You will get that type of commission, right? So let's talk about that. Why affiliate marketing? Why I am recommending you affiliate marketing business only? Why I am not recommending you other businesses? Because affiliate marketing involves a low startup cost. And my friend, I know that you are a beginner, you might be a student, you might have business, but you are building your second source, right? So maybe you want to start an online business with low startup cost, so this is the best business for you. So the second reason is no limits in earning. There is no limit in earning in affiliate marketing. Sky is the limit, right? So also the third reason is you can work as part time or full time according to your wish, right? You don't have to quit your job, you don't have to quit your studies, my friend. You can work as part time also here, right? So also the fourth reason and the best part of affiliate marketing is you don't need to create your own product. A person is already created one product, you just have to do marketing and sales and you will get commissions. So now you might be thinking that I don't have any product to promote, I don't have any knowledge or skills, I don't know how to sell, I have not done anything before like this, nobody will purchase from me. You might be thinking these things, but my friend, nobody comes on earth on having these skills by God gifted. Nobody comes. You have to learn all these things from zero. I also learned about everything from zero. 3 years back, I was also not aware about all these things. I was not aware about marketing, sales. But my friend, in any business, you have to learn marketing and sales. But here you have best opportunity. You don't have to go anywhere to learn all these things, to learn about affiliate marketing. You can learn this from your mobile phone, your smartphone, and you can do your complete business, your whole business online. I am also doing the same. I don't go anywhere. I work on my laptop only, right? Okay, so let's talk about the solution. What is the solution for you? So the solution for you is Sales Up Masterclass. Now you might be thinking that what is the Sales Up Masterclass? Sales Up Masterclass is a game-changing training program for all the marketers present on the internet. If you are starting your online business, if you are already doing any online business, then Sales Up Masterclass is the best training program for all of you. In Sales Up Masterclass, you will get proper training, proper courses on everything. It is a e-learning platform. You will learn everything about sales, marketing, business, how to automate the business, how to earn more money online, right? You will learn multiple skills also. You will get multiple skill based courses that will help you to earn more money. And our aim is to make 1 lakh people financially free by working online, right? That is our aim in Sales Up Masterclass. All right, so let's talk about what you will learn, what you will actually learn in Sales Up Masterclass. All right, so there are 2 packages in Sales Up Masterclass. We are offering you 2 packages with which you can learn and start your journey with us. As you guys know, you can't start anything without learning. As I told you earlier also, that you can't start any business and can't earn money without learning, right? You have to learn all those things, then only you can proceed. How you can expect without learning? So we are offering courses, digital courses, video courses by which you can learn and implement and you can earn money. All right, so let's talk about that also. Okay, so the number 1 package is Sales Up Masterclass beginner package. We have 2 packages, right? So let's talk about the number 1 package at first. So the first course in Sales Up Masterclass beginner package is Leads Mastery course. What is a lead? You might be thinking that what is a lead? Lead means a person who is interested in your product or service and you have his contact details, email ID or mobile number, you have those contact details. Also that person is showing interest in your product. That is called your lead. So now you know that in every business you need leads, you need customers, you need interested people, then only you will get sales and earn money. And in simple words, leads means customers, interested customers who can buy your product. All right. So this course will teach you how you can generate leads through social media. You don't have to sell this product to your family or friends. You will get proper training on how to sell this product through social media. right? You will get proper training about marketing, sales, and everything, right? You don't have to worry if you don't know about how to access social media, how to make profile on social media. Then also you don't have to worry because we will teach you everything from scratch. All right. Okay, so the next course is Canva Mastery course. So in Canva Mastery course, you will get multiple things. You will get to know about designing. You will learn graphic designing here, right? You will become a professional content designer, right? In Sales of Masterclass, you will learn multiple things. You will learn multiple skills. So in Canva Mastery course, you will learn about graphic design, how you can create cover photo, thumbnails, logo, carousels, promotional posts using Canva. And if you are not doing any business, then also you can do freelancing and can earn money. You can charge people for your service after learning this skill, right? You don't have to worry. I will tell you also one big opportunity for you on how you can earn money by doing affiliate marketing also. Just keep watching this video. You will get to know about everything. All right. Okay, so the next course is follow-up and sales closing course. If customers are coming on your shop, then you need to close that sale. Then only you will earn money. And business works like that, right? So you will learn everything about sales closing, follow-up, and objection handling also. So these two courses will help you to close your sales, to close more sales, to earn more revenue, and to get more results for yourself. All right. Okay. So there are four courses in beginner package. So let's talk about our second package, that is elite package. All right. So the number one course in elite package is created by me, right? And that course is digital entrepreneurship course. Here you will learn how to 3x your sales, how to 3x your business. When you are doing business, how you can do 3x sales, how you can sell your product through webinar, through videos, right? So everything I will teach you in this course. How you can automate your business, how you can do team building, right? Everything I will teach you from scratch. How you can automate your business, right? Everything I will teach you from scratch. So the next course is created by Mr. Ganesh. So he will teach you about copywriting. Copywriting means selling through words. That means you are not speaking anything. Your words are enough to sell your product, right? Everything about copywriting in this course. Also, we will be teaching you how you can monetize your skill. That means how you can earn money after learning these skills. All right. Okay, so the next course is created by Miss Shivani Kukreja and she will teach you everything about Facebook ads. As you guys know, there are 300 million users on Facebook right now, and you have a golden opportunity because Facebook ads is the highest paying skill right now. You can learn this skill, you can master it, you can apply it for your business, you can apply it for affiliate marketing also. You can run Facebook ad for your clients and can charge them money, right? So we'll get to know about everything about Facebook ads. Also, we will be teaching you how you can generate clients to earn money through Facebook ads because we want to get your results. You don't just have to learn these skills. You have to learn these skills, then you have to apply it, then you will get results for yourself. All right. So the next course is WordPress Mastery course. If you don't know about WordPress, it's a part of website development, right? So he's Shreyas Kulkarni and he will teach you everything about WordPress, right? That how you can create professional websites using WordPress. Do you know people are charging in lakhs for creating a website, for creating a simple website? And you can also do the same by learning this skill. So here you will learn live creation of 7 types of websites. You will learn about blogging, content writing. You will learn how to create professional landing pages through WordPress. So there are three more courses that will be added in a lead package. That is Insta branding course, YouTube growth course, and effective communication course. All right, so that means you're getting multiple things in Sales Up Masterclass. Not only courses, you will get multiple bonuses here. Let's talk about that. So you will get premier group access after joining these courses, after paying for this course. So premier group access, that means you will get a separate group created by us, created by our team, where you can ask your questions. where you can ask all your doubts and we will help you to reach out to your destiny. We usually do workshops on monthly and on weekly basis, and you will get access for those workshops for free of cost. Weekly action plan checklist, and there are multiple bonuses you will get in Sales Up Masterclass. Also, you don't have to worry, you will get step by step affiliate training. I know you are waiting for that opportunity. You are waiting for that how I can make money through it. I will tell you about that also. Please have patience and watch this video completely. So you will get step by step affiliate training on how you can also start your business, how you can promote this product, how you can get commission out of it. You will get complete step by step training. So there are multiple ways in Sales Up Masterclass to earn. Also, there will be trainings by top affiliates. We do weekly live trainings where we teach you how you can increase your income. If you are earning 15,000, how you can reach to 25,000 or 30,000. If a person is earning 40,000, how he can reach to 1 lakh a month. All right. So there are multiple things in Sales Up Masterclass. So you might be thinking, what is the price of these courses? What is the price of these packages and how I will earn through it, right? So let's talk about that. So the regular price of beginner package and bonuses is 9,999. That means we usually charge 10,000 rupees for this course, for this package, for this beginner package, where you will get more than 4 courses plus one course of affiliate training, right? You will get step by step complete affiliate training and you will get a complete course for that affiliate training. All right. So we regularly charge 10,000 rupees for this package. But as you know, guys, we are running a special offer for you. So in this offer, you will get this product, you will get this package only at 1,999. So you are getting beginner package only for 1,999 and all the bonuses free of cost. So this special offer is for limited time only. So let's talk about elite package. So the regular price of elite package, as you know, you are learning high paying skills, high income paying skills, Facebook ads, WordPress mastery, sales, copywriting, and believe me, the money you are investing here, you can get it back by just doing 2 sales with profit. Right. So the regular price of elite package and bonuses is 25,000 rupees. But as you guys know, we are running a special offer for you, and in this offer, you will get this package plus all the bonuses at 4,999 rupees only. So we are running a special offer for you guys only. So please take it seriously and start your journey with us. Also, I want to tell you guys, if you start your journey from elite package, if you start your journey with elite package, then you will get beginner package for free of cost. Yes, you heard it right. You will get beginner package for free of cost. So it is for limited time only. Please take action, my friend. Then only you will achieve something. So now you might be thinking, what is the earning opportunity for me? I know you are waiting for that only, right? So let's talk about earning opportunity. So guys, you can start affiliate marketing. As I told you about affiliate marketing, that you are promoting other person product and you are getting commission out of it. You can promote our packages like that. Our packages, there are 2 packages, elite package and beginner package. You can promote our packages and earn more than 80% commission out of that. You can earn more than 80% commission by promoting our product, by promoting our digital product. That means you are promoting our courses and you are getting more than 80% commission. Can you even imagine 80% commission we are giving it to you, right? So let's talk about that how you will get commission. So in beginner package, if you start your journey from beginner package, you learn about all the skills and now you want to promote beginner package. You will earn active income as 1,400 rupees on every sale done by you in beginner package. That means you are buying a 2,000 rupees product, you are learning, you are getting proper step by step training. Now, if you promote this product, if you are promoting Sales Up Masterclass beginner package product, you will get 1,400 rupees as an active income. That means if you do only one sale a day, you are earning 1,400 rupees a day. That is more than 40,000 in a month. You are earning 40,000 in a month. In fact, you can do more than that also, and our community is doing that. I will show you some income proof also done by our team.
earning done by our team. So let's understand with an example. All right. So let's suppose a person named Ravi started sales of masterclass on 1st June. All right. And Ravi sales of masterclass beginner package. He learned everything about sales of masterclass online marketing from scratch. Now he is ready to sell this product and earn money and earn commission out of it. So let's suppose Ravi sells this product to a person named Shyam, and Ravi will earn 1400 rupees as an active income, right? Let's suppose Shyam also started working in sales of masterclass and he started getting sales. Sham will get 1400 rupees as an active income, but Ravi also will get 200 rupees passive income. Passive income, he is not doing anything for this. Sham is getting sale, but Ravi also earning passive income just by doing sale by Sham. Alright, a huge there is a bright scope in affiliate marketing with sales of masterclass. You are not only earning active income, you are also earning passive income. Passive income means you are not doing anything. You are not doing work, then also you are earning money. You have prepared a system, you have prepared a team who are working for you and you are getting commission even when you are sleeping. Can you even imagine? You get a mail that you are earning passive income while you are sleeping, right? So let's talk about if you start your journey from elite package. If you start your journey from elite package that is of 5000 rupees on a special offer, you will learn high paying income skills, right? You will learn everything. Also, you will learn advanced affiliate marketing strategies, and you will get more commission in elite package. That means you will get 3500 rupees on every sale done by you. You will get 3500 rupees, and leadership bonus will be 600 rupees. Let's suppose you are doing only one sale a day, then also you will earn 3500 rupees in one day, right? That means you are earning more than 90,000 rupees in a month if you are doing only one sale of elite package in sales of masterclass. But to earn money, you have to learn all the skills, right? You will get proper mentorship by us. You will get all the skills, right? Which will help you to start your journey, which will help you to start your online earning with us. All right. Okay. So there are multiple ways in sales of masterclass to earn, like active income, leadership bonus, milestone income, workshop monetization. When you start your journey, you will get to know about everything. All right. Okay. So there is one more opportunity for you to earn money in sales of masterclass. That is elite opportunity sales of masterclass service. Right. That means you can promote our service and can earn money out of it. So let's talk about that also. So what is sales of masterclass services? Sales of masterclass services can help businesses to grow digitally through social media. We offer them multiple services like social media management, social media marketing, website development services so that they can grow their business exponentially. That means we are promoting our services to businesses so that you will get commission and businesses will get commission so that their business will grow, right? So you can earn with this method also. Okay, so there are multiple ways in sales of masterclass to earn. You can create multiple sources in one product. All right. So why you have to choose sales of masterclass? Let's talk about that. There are multiple products in market. Then why you have to choose sales of masterclass only? So the number one reason is value for money. The money you are investing here for your learning is worth it and value for money. You are getting more value than the price, than the actual price. If you are paying 5000 rupees for a lead package, then you are getting 25,000 rupees of value, right? That means you are getting 25,000 rupees value in just 5,000 rupees. All right. Also in beginner package, you are getting 10,000 rupees of value in just 2,000 rupees. And let me tell you, this offer is for limited time only. And there is high income structure. In sales of masterclass, you are getting more than 80% commission including leadership bonus. All right. So it is a high income. Also, we have created 100 plus success stories. We have paid 20 lakhs commission till now to our affiliates who are doing business with us. There are multiple ways to earn with us. Learning from experts. That means you are learning from experts. You are not learning from a person who is a beginner. You are learning from a person who has already created results for themselves Now he's teaching to you, right? So you will get your payout within 48 to 72 hours. That means if you do a sale today, you will receive your payout, you will receive your income, you will receive your commission in your bank account within 48 to 72 hours. All right. So that's the best part of it. You don't have to wait for your money for 1 week or 1 month. You will receive your money within 2 to 3 days in your bank account. All right. Okay, so what are you paying for? You are just paying for courses. You are just paying for your learning, right? And you also know you can't do any business without learning. You can't do any business. My friend, you can't do any business without learning. You will fail. Definitely. You have to learn the things, then only you can earn money. You're not paying for affiliate marketing opportunity. You are not paying for business opportunity here. The business opportunity is completely free for you. You are just paying for the online courses. You are just paying for your learning. All right. Okay. So there are hundreds of people who got results in sales of masterclass. Now you can see their review. All right. Also, you can see earning proof in sales of masterclass. Right. You can see multiple people are earning here, businessmen, students, everybody is earning in sales of masterclass. But do you know why? Because they are focusing on their learning. If you focus on earning only, then you will not earn from here. You have to focus on learning. You have to learn the things, then only you can earn money in sales of masterclass. All right. So you can see multiple people have earned money in sales of masterclass. Now it's up to you, right? How you take decision. Now it's time to take action. My friend, nothing will happen. If you are watching this video, then you have two options. Either you can watch videos like this and waste your time. And the second option is start your journey with us. Take action and start your journey. Contact that person who sent you this video and ask him that you want to join Sales Up Masterclass and want to create impact in your life. You want to change your life. Nothing will happen, my friend. If you are watching this video, nothing will happen. You have to take action, right? You have to create opportunities for you. Results only will come to those who take massive actions. If you are watching this video and thinking that I will start this work after some time, then my friend, that time will never come. You have to take action right now. Then only you can earn money, right? If you want to change your life, you have to start working for it, right? You have to start taking action. All right. So that's all in this video. Contact that person who sent you this video and start your journey with Sales Up Masterclass. I will see you in affiliate trainings. I will see you in live trainings and in group. All right. So thank you all of you for watching this video till the end.